Welcome to this tutorial for Trend Micro Security. In this video, we'll teach you how to launch protection for your other devices from the Trend Micro Security console. To get started, open your Trend Micro Security console. When the console opens, click Protect Another Device. The Protect Another Device pop-up appears. Depending on your Trend Micro Security edition, it will show how many more devices you can protect. Click Add a Device. A pop-up appears where you can choose the platform you would like to share protection with. Click the button for the additional device you wish to protect. Depending on the platform that you selected, you can select from 3 options on how you want to share the Trend Micro Security protection. You can send the download link via email, copy the download link and send it to others, or scan the QR code to get the app. In this example, we'll share the Trend Micro Security link via email. Enter your preferred email address in the field provided and click Send. A screen appears saying the message has been sent. Click Close. On the device where you wish to install your Trend Micro Security solution, open the email sent to you and click the link to download the installer. On your Android devices, you're taken to the Google Play Store. Tap Install to download and install the app. On your iOS devices, you're taken to the Apple App Store. Tap Get to download and install the app. Congratulations! You've just learned how to protect your other devices from your Trend Micro Security console. This concludes this tutorial. For more information, go to the following website: